Welcome to today's video. Today is going to be an episode about Henry J. Kaiser, an American industrialist. Excuse me if I sound a little off, I am currently sick right now, but I just wanted to make a video about Henry J. Kaiser. Anyway, this is episode 2 of our Men of Wheels series. So anyway, let's get into the video. Henry John Kaiser was born on May 9th, 1882 in Spout Brook, New York to a German immigrant parents. From an early age, he displayed an industrious spirit, taking on odd jobs before finding work in road construction. In 1914, he took over a failing road business in Vancouver, British Columbia, transforming it into a thriving enterprise. His company specialized in large-scale paving projects, setting the stage for his later ventures into even more ambitious construction efforts. His early work in road building and infrastructure played a crucial role in the development of the American highway system and positioned him as a key figure in modernizations of the country's transport network. And by the time World War II broke out, Kaiser recognized the urgent need for rapid ship production. Without prior experience in shipbuilding, he established Kaiser shipyards in Richmond, California. Applying assembly line principles borrowed from the automotive industry, Kaiser revolutionized ship production. His team managed to construct a Liberty ship in just 4.5 days, an unprecedented feat in naval construction at the time and overall. And over the course of the war, Kaiser's shipyards produced more than 1,400 Liberty ships for the U.S. Maritime Commission, ensuring the steady supply of cargo ships needed to transport troops and supplies across the globe. His ability to streamline production and cut costs while massively increasing output not only helped the war effort, but also demonstrated the power of mass production on an industrial scale. As the war came to an end, Kaiser set his sights on the booming post-war automotive market. In 1945, he partnered with Joseph Frazer, a seasoned auto executive, to create the Kaiser-Frazer Corporation.
Yes, Kaiser's anatomic engineering gives you the greatest safety advance in 30 years. The world's safest front seat with 7 great new safety features. First, Kaiser engineers give you a cushion-padded instrument panel with all instruments recessed. Emergency brake is at your right hand for easier reach. Corner posts are slimmed down and slanted back. The world's largest one-piece windshield designed to pop out in emergency. Greater leg room and posture control seats to brace and cradle your weight safely. Yes, it's here today. The world's safest front seat to give you a new peace of mind, a new kind of driving, and a new world of beauty in the world's most advanced new car, the new 52 Kaiser Manhattan.
They acquired the massive Willow Run plant in Michigan, previously used by Ford to manufacture B-24 bombers, and repurposed it for automobile production. The big 3 automakers, Ford, General Motors, and Chrysler, had long dominated the industry, but Kaiser sought to carve out a space by producing stylish, affordable vehicles for everyday Americans. Kaiser-Frazer introduced innovative designs and features at competitive prices, but the company faced major challenges. Limited production capacity, high costs, and aggressive pricing strategies from the big 3 made long-term success difficult. Although Kaiser's cars gained a reputation for their quality and unique styling, the company struggled to keep pace with its larger rivals. One of the most fascinating aspects of Kaiser's automotive venture was the involvement of Howard "Dutch" Darrin, a visionary designer known for his work with luxury automakers in both Europe and Hollywood. Before working with Kaiser, Darrin had already made a name for himself designing elegant custom-bodied Packards and other high-end automobiles. Kaiser recognized Darrin's design prowess and brought him on board to inject style and sophistication in the Kaiser-Frazer lineup. His influence was particularly evident in the Kaiser Darrin sports car, introduced in 1954. Unlike anything else on the road at the time, the Kaiser Darrin was one of the first production cars to feature a lightweight fiberglass body, a material that would later become common in sports car manufacturing. Its distinctive feature, however, was its unique sliding doors that disappeared into the front fenders. While this design was groundbreaking, the car's performance was underwhelming. Its Willys F-head 6-cylinder engine produced only 90 horsepower, making it a relatively underpowered sports car, although it was very light, only weighing about 2,200 pounds, thanks to its fiberglass body. But despite its innovative design, the Kaiser Darrin was produced in extremely limited numbers, just 435 units, before Kaiser's passenger car division ceased production. Today, the Kaiser Darrin remains a rare and highly sought-after collector's item, celebrated for its unique design and its place in automotive history. Now, Kaiser's ability to integrate his various enterprises was one of his greatest strengths. His shipbuilding operations relied on Kaiser steel and Kaiser aluminum for materials, while his automotive division also benefited from these resources. His construction company, which had already played a major role in building roads, bridges, and large-scale projects like the Hoover Dam, continued to expand its influence across multiple industries. Perhaps his most lasting contribution, however, was in the field of healthcare. During World War II, Kaiser recognized that his shipyard workers needed access to reliable medical care, leading him to establish what would eventually become Kaiser Permanente. Initially designed as an affordable healthcare system for his employees, Kaiser Permanente grew into one of the largest managed healthcare organizations in the United States, serving millions of people today. Beyond steel, aluminum, and automobiles and healthcare, Kaiser also ventured into broadcasting and real estate. He founded Kaiser Broadcasting, which operated television and radio stations, and played a significant role in developing Hawaii's tourism industry by creating the Kaiser Hawaiian Village Resort, now known as the Hilton Hawaiian Village. His ability to diversify and innovate across multiple industries was a hallmark of his career, proving that true industrial success comes from not mastering a single field, but from understanding how different sectors can complement and support one another. But despite his many achievements, Kaiser's automotive venture could not compete with the financial might of the Big Three. By the mid-1950s, Kaiser-Frazer rebranded as Kaiser Motors, and in 1953 the company acquired Willys Overland, shifting its focus to Jeep production. Though Kaiser's name would eventually disappear from the automotive industry, his influence endured through Jeep, which became an American icon in its own right. The Willys derived Jeep models, which Kaiser continued to refine until selling the company to AMC in 1970, remain a significant part of automotive history. Henry J. Kaiser's life is a masterclass in entrepreneurial vision and a relentless innovation. From building Liberty ships in record time to pioneering the use of fiberglass in sports cars, his ventures reshaped American industry and left a lasting mark on the nation's infrastructure. Although Kaiser's passenger car division struggled to survive in an industry dominated by giants, the innovative spirit of the Kaiser Darrin sports car, thanks in part to the creative genius of Howard Dutch Darrin, continues to inspire automakers and enthusiasts today. Beyond cars, Kaiser's contributions to healthcare, shipbuilding, and manufacturing cemented his legacy as one of the most influential industrialists in American history. Henry J. Kaiser built more than just companies, he built a nation. His innovative spirit, combined with his bold design vision of Howard Dutch Darrin, continues to inspire future generations. This is the legacy of Henry J. Kaiser, a legacy of innovation, integration, and enduring the promise of the American dream. If you like this video, make sure to leave a like down below, and if you really like this video, maybe consider subscribing. Anyway, I'll catch you in the next one.
Yes, Kaiser's anatomic engineering